Hey everybody, Intolerable here. Here I have one of those cheap IKEA chests that's falling apart everywhere. I got it off a friend of mine who was getting rid of it. And I want to turn it into a dirty laundry bin. So I'm going to show you how to fix this IKEA bin and reinforce it and make it into something actually usable. Basically, what I'm going to do, which is not hard, is to put nails everywhere. Make sure you have a nail that's long enough. And the trick to this is to put a nail through this cheap IKEA wood without splitting it, is to flatten the tip of your nail. Now you should do this on a piece of scrap wood, not like I just did. In this case I'm using the bottom piece of this. I don't really care what it looks like. Now that's slightly flattened, what that will do is that will pound its way through the wood instead of splitting it. Son of a bitch. Now you can see my aim was a little off there. However, the nail did not split the wood. I'm going to try this one more time. There we go. That's how it should be done. For this repair, I use 2.5 inch and 3 inch galvanized nails. You could also use screws, but I prefer the satisfaction of pounding a nail through wood. Just feels good sometimes. All you have to do is repeat that process at every joint. Again, make sure you use nails that are long enough. And then congratulations, you've made a piece of IKEA furniture into a real piece of furniture that you can actually use. Stash is here, he wants to say hi. Hi Stash. One option would be get a hole punch, sink these nails in a little bit, and then cover them with an appropriate matching wood putty. Another option would be just to paint the whole thing. Once again, this is Intolerable. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Stash. Stash has a big boogie.